Lights are dancing on the tree. Laughter fills the room. Snowflakes kiss the windowsill. Hearts are in full bloom. Gathered round the table bright, stories flow like wine. Memories painted in the night, family ties divine. Thankful for the love we share, grateful every day. Hope for peace in every prayer, let kindness lead the way. Children dreaming wide awake, wishes in their eyes. Magic in the steps they take, under starry skies. Candles flicker in the dark, warmth in every glow. From every heart and every spark, let compassion show.